Good morning, Judy. It's Brittany from Auto Fair Honda. I'm here to give you a tour of the 2024 Honda CRV Sport Hybrid. You got this really nice redesigned grille as well as LED headlights. It is a sport, so you have these really sharp black alloy rims, privacy tinting in the back as well. My favorite part of the new CRV is the taillights. It's really sleek design, very unique to the car. You do have black interior and a very spacious back area. The seats lay down to give you more space. I'll give you a little peek of, also capless gas filler, another one of my favorite parts. Let's see, really spacious back seat as well as charging ports for your guests. There is a sunroof. You have a touch screen, comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, so you can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, and it comes with the standard Honda safety and sensing features. You do also have different drive modes. You have snow, econ, normal, and sport, and power adjustable seating and windows, all that good stuff. And believe it or not, the car is on. It's very quiet. So if you're interested, I think you should definitely come in and take it for a test drive. It will not last long. My name again is Brittany Smith. My phone number is 603-832-8761. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much.